In this video, I will guide you on how to install Git for Claude Code. Now, when you're on Claude Code, you should be able to find a link to download the Git app. If you find it, simply click on that, or you can search it in any web browser as well. Now, you can click download for Windows or any other option depending on your device. Then the installer for Git will start downloading automatically once you click on this link. Once downloaded, you want to open the installer file. If prompted, click yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Now click next through the setup options. Keep clicking next through the default settings. You can leave everything as default unless you know what to change. Then you want to click on the install option to begin the installation. Now wait for the installation process to be finished. After that, click on the finish option. Once done, check the launch Git bash and click finish. Now Git is installed and ready to use on your system. Open Claude or Claude Code again, and it should now detect Git automatically after a short time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.